If V doing shit so big, haters, I'm on your side now, nigga. Fuck us, it's not madness. Yeah, I'm back up in this. I'm a real nice nigga, but I rap with vengeance. Only got bad intentions, and I'm looking for a new mouth that my nutsack can fit in. I look like an idiot to grab attention, but my new fans telling me to trash my lenses. It's bad for business, I'm lacking senses. Feels like I'm trapped in a black dimension. Stepped in this bitch to wreck, so don't disrespect. I promise that'll be a big regret. I twist the neck, I'm looking for a fish to catch. I chop niggas up, yeah, I learned it from tech. I got hoes all over that wanna get me. They all yelling hot, so you turn me. But I feel like it's the devil trying to get me. And I don't wanna do it, niggas in me. Nigga, I'm so cool, but I feel so low. See, I got a crew, but I feel so low. I cruise when the wheels don't roll. Feel what I'm saying? Shit, neither do I. I'ma give you niggas one more album, and after that it's peace out. Then I'm leaving you guys. You know why?
The world make me feel like I lost myself. My own homies telling me that I need help. If you got a solution for me, you should probably
holler at your boy if you know somebody. Let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. Holler at your boy if you know somebody. Let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. Holler at your boy. No. Hops in this doom, locked in a room, spaced out like a love pop in this room. God lit a fuse, now I gotta make a decision and I don't really know what option to choose. I'm a big wreck, did you not get the news? I made $1 million, but they not get abused. How did I manage to get robbed from the truth? Maybe I should've never went and dropped out of school. It's not that bad, you're okay, kid, cheer up. But I got a life that I ain't too sure of. Swagger looking just like Ace Ventura. Can't look at myself, I might break this mirror. Shit, fuck, I'm paranoid. I panic over every little scary noise. See, when I go to pick up the phone and tell friends about it, they won't answer cause they're annoyed. I'm like, I put a porno on cause my life ain't awesome, man. Jack off, go to sleep, wake up, jack off again. Then repeat the cycle. Can't go to sleep unless I leave the lights on. You don't know how many fucking demons I know. Maybe I should go and try to read the Bible. Fuck, I don't